This is a brief video on how we test our Duo Earth safety device in the workshop. We've taken an RCD tester and replaced the milliamp meter with a more accurate meter for our testing. We're applying voltage to the earth circuit, so we're simulating a fault to earth on the unit. This meter is measuring the voltage on the earth pin of the plug going into the Guardian board. This meter is measuring our current flow in milliamps. Here we can see, as we're applying more voltage to the earth path, then our milliamps is also increasing because we're increasing our potential. When the Duo gets to a predetermined level, it will shut down the power and isolating the power board. Typically, the Duo Earth safety device is set to trip when it measures voltage on the earth at 40 volts. Please see our other videos for more details on how the Duo Earth safety device works and the applications it is designed for.